Yeah, we're out with the wildcat. It's really cold and windy. The winds go from nothing to full out like 30, 40 kilometers an hour. Kind of sucks, but I'm pretty sure this little guy will handle it. Put you in the hat. Sorry about that. Hopefully we're on the right angle. I think we are. Looks like it. On the head. Not much rudder on this thing. That's safe, but you don't need it. Just need the AS3X. You don't even need that, I don't think. Oh, need throttle though. There you go. It's whipping in that wind. The wind's pretty strong today too. I think I already said that though, didn't I? Well, like I said, this plane will fly on anything. Even in snow. Definitely my winter plane. Under the sun would be the ideal thing here. Over the truck, don't want to hit it. Wouldn't matter though. Oh, sorry about the sun. Yeah, it's like 8 o'clock in the morning. Very rare for me to come out in the morning. More of an afternoon guy. But I had to get up. I'm gonna go pick up a plane today. Another cat plane. A bear cat. Specifically the rare bear. Oh, maybe if the wind dies down this afternoon. Oh, there's that sun again. Wind dies down this afternoon, I might bring that up. Sorry about the sun. Tried to keep it over this. I'm used to keeping it over that way because usually the sun's over here when I fly. And I gotta be going through the sun, I'll be getting blinded. So I just fly over that way today, I guess. Close the truck. Nice and slow. In the hole of doom and out of the hole of doom. Woohoo! Big loop. Wind's pretty strong up there. Get bounced all over the place. Oh, there's that sun again. This video's probably gonna be shit due to the fact of there's no clouds. This thing just blends right into that sky. Should have worn my glasses. Well, it blends in for me. I don't know about anyone else. Sun again. Sun again. Sorry. That wind's really strong up there, like crazy strong. Oh, here's my warning sign. Time to land. But this plane's amazing. I just love it. Alright, thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and all the good stuff. Ciao for now.